Today's review is about this white candle holder by IKEA. This white candle holder is made of steel and polyester powder coating. It measures 8 cm height and has 8 cm diameter and weighs 60 grams. It can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Use it only with a small candle. You have its measure in the bottom. This material can be recycled. Be careful when picking it up, as the heat from the candle eats the material, so you have to blow out the candle first before picking it up.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.